Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yeah, man. And good morning to all my viewers and subscribers and friends, and last but not least, my enemies on the voice of Bed Miller. Yes, to all my subscribers, more have knows me have to give thanks to all my subscribers them, you know. Yes, because you know what is today? Today is my 1 year anniversary on the voice of Bed Miller. Last year in time, yeah, the 25th of March 2024, right at Falmouth Half-Moon Bay Beach. Yeah, man. With my first content. Yeah, man. Yeah, my first content. Yeah, man. So, as I say, yeah, man, I 1 year now. I 1 year now since, yes, to general. I 1 year now since me do me. Yeah, man, see me do my first content. Yes. It has been a journey. I tell you, Iyah, wonderful journey. And my first content was 5 minutes, you know. The first time I post a thing, you know, was 5 minutes long. I mean, I'll tell you. So, as I say, big up to all who tune in on the voice of Bed Miller for the past year. I say, first and foremost, because of the waves and it's some, how can I come closer? Because we just come show me, we just come, me stay at distance and we show me come out in this morning. As usual, my state outfit. But by the face, I left out nib, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, see me nib. Yeah, man, see me nib. See me nib jersey, yeah. Yeah, man. See me nib thing, yeah. Number 16, same way. This a nib jersey, you know. Yeah, man. A nib jersey, the son jersey this, you know. The son Anna 16 jersey. Yeah, man, when you play for nib. Yeah, number 16, you wear number 16 just like me. Yeah, man, when in there nib. So, yeah, man, I nib number 16 jersey this, sir. Anna 16 jersey this. Yes, Iyah. Yeah. So what I say, brother? We really, for my 1 year anniversary. But I see you, brother. The ship are coming, you know. The ship are coming, you know. The ship are coming there. And the sun will rise. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the ship is coming in. As you can see. And the sun will rise. At 21 minutes to 7. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. At 21 minutes to 7 in the morning, yeah. I see him time do my first content last year, you know. So minutes to 7. We did my first content last year. So as I say now, big up Lando. Big up Lando. Yeah, man, you put my thing together. And you advise me. And you control my YouTube channel. Yeah, man. Yeah. Because I now figure to me just start out, you know. You know, see it. We need 50 subscribers to get before we can live stream. We get the 50 subscribers in no time. I'm a live stream. You know, see it. And Lando tell me, say, yeah, man. How can I come closer now still? With my ball. Yeah, man, I come closer with forky bit. I come closer with forky bit. Because Lando tell me, say, you know, so you go reach Because I did want 1,000 subscribers, you know. We start get earning from, we start get some monetary thing from the YouTube channel. And Landa tell me say, you know, say you go get the 1,000 before the year out. And I say, boy, you go try still on the 1,000 subscribers before the year out. Yes, and people, I believe now my content them talk about me have 10,000 subscribers. Sorry about that. That was a mistake. I don't got so much subscribers yet. 1,000, almost 1,500 now subscribers me gone. And I give thanks to that. Because you have some people they link me and they tell me say, boy, say me I go on good. Because some people want 1,000 subscribers and can't get 1,000 subscribers. I know. I may get 1,000 subscribers before we start last year, March. Yeah, man, the exact date I start last year, March. And by about November last year, because I get the 1,000 subscribers before December. You know. By about October, by about late October, November, I get me 1,000 subscribers. You know, see. Yeah, man. Till all the man, till all the brethren. My brethren are family, what feed me information about certain things. They tell me, say, man, me I go on good. Because I tell me about someone overseas. They beg for 1,000 subscribers and now they can't reach 1,000. In a short time, they reach 1,000. So I start getting look at money from YouTube and I give thanks to that still. That's why I keep me thing clean. Certain things I don't to talk about again. Because I don't want to get no community strike again. Because I have a flashback on my YouTube channel, you know, man, since that year, you know. You know, see, enough people to encourage me, enough people. You know, see, I gain a lot of friends. You know, see, yeah, man, I gain a lot of friends from all about. Some people from overseas. Some American people, mostly from America, all England, everybody. Some people tell me, say, boy, they tune in for my thing. And me make them know what go on. Some family people overseas, they say I'm me. Make them know what go on at Falmouth. That's why Soko did rate me so much. The work for me I do. Because some things when I go on at Falmouth, I'm going to expose certain things. I don't spread no propaganda upon nobody. Everything I go on at Falmouth, what I actually want to showcase. Because I frequent Ochino and Mobi and St. Elizabeth. Because I live watch it for 17 years. I live St. Elizabeth other day for about 3 to 4 years. But I born and go to Falmouth. Anything I talk about Falmouth, or when I grow up come see. You see it? Me not spread no rumor, you know, see everything me see I take with the Falmouth and the truth me the talk. About all the park, because I most based on park playground, you know, and center, you know. Because center was my backyard as a little boy, you know. A park playground me start out and get football scholarship. You know, see it? Figure states. Yes. I be talking about that too. Big up the states track team and the NIP school track team. Boys and girls team start today. So I reach states and NIP. States, my first alma mater, and NIP, my second alma mater. All the best at the boys and girls champs. Starting today and it ends Saturday. You understand me want going, but certain circumstances me can't get to reach. But hopefully next year me go forward. Yeah, man. I mean, I wish states and NIB alone, all the best. I wish Musheto in the seat, Cedric Titus, Petersfield. Yes. All the schools them from Western Jamaica. I wish them all the best. In the seat. At champs. All the success in can be kind of easy because you have to put your ultimate. You have to put your ultimate best. To get a middle of champs. So I wish all of the Western team them Because Western Jamaica me come from. All of them are treat, all of them deal with the Western trucks athlete them good. They now deal with Western schools them good. I mean, I come to talk about that today still, but when you see what I go on, will catch you all. The same thing I go on will catch you all, and the same thing I go on with Falmouth Park. Falmouth Iyah Park, the most historical, I want the fact, the most historical ground in a Trelawney. Just like how they have some sign out of Paris Church. When the tourists come to Paris Church, they must sign to tell about the history of Paris Church. When the tourists can read about Paris Church, what history of Paris Church. They must sign, build up, erect out of Baptist Church, same way. People can read, tourists can go down and read about Baptist Church. They must sign out of the old Nip School mansion, same way. The old Nip School. They must sign out there so people can come and read the history of the old Nip School. And you have some houses in a Falmouth, they must sign same way too. That's why they should have a sign out of park. We tell the history of park. Because park is a historical ground. Yes. What the youth them and even a sign for out of barrack school too. I don't see no sign out of barrack school, you know. No sign of the day, no. Tell about the history of barrack school, you know. But the people them. So there's nothing about the people them at Falmouth. And that the vice have built me the vice out about. Yes. Understand me? Yeah, 10 minutes gone so far. I want to put it to 15 minutes. God knows I don't want to talk too long. All of me I say, I want to cut down on the long talking, brother. Because even when a person comment other day when they do the content about chicken up. I want a person comment, send a comment to me, say me chat bad. I have to just laugh. They see me say yes, boy, I talk bad still, you know. Me no fluent on the English, you know. He's a pato man, I love me Lewis Bennett. That's what I say. Yeah man. See, I'm Mr. Vivian, they laugh there. I'm Mr. Vivian, don't come with me, you know, because I don't say nothing, you know. Don't say nothing at all, you know. Don't say nothing, Mr. Vivian. Big up Mr. Vivian. Don't say nothing. Yeah man, alright. Yeah man. Yes, Iyah. You know, see, yes. I'm your friend. I'm going to show my guitar right now. Listen me now. It's a nice vibe, man. It's a nice to communicate with the people, you know. The people them kind of love the voice of Bed Miller. You know, see, so as I say, we love the people who come in, come give an interview. People that advise me. You know, see, I get enough advice from Catfish. Enough advice from Nita. Kimani Mali mother. Kimani mother. Me and she reason all the while. And since the voice of Bed Miller, yeah, man, I need to link up. And I need to talk for hours more time. Sometimes 2 hours I need to talk for. You can't believe so I need to talk. Because need to have the concern about Falmouth, you know. We all concerned about Falmouth. The voice of Bed Miller is about Trelawney. Because when time I go do this, when we go start my channel, you know. When I put my channel together, you know. The YouTube channel, you know. I'm going to name it a Trelawney me come from, you know. I'm going to name it a Trelawney me come from. But when time land out typing that and so forth, I'm going to name it so one next channel, one next YouTube channel name so I be same name. So I like Trelawney we come from. I'm tell Lanny say boy, me don't want on YouTube with the two name sound so close, you know. I'm tell Lanny say if you put device of Bed Miller. Name the device of Bed Miller because all I say boy is enough to go voice out about. Because some condition were going to fall me to speak about it. And so come get the name of the device of Bed Miller. Yes. Yeah man. Because of the passion, because when time I see our center, they do the center. I know to do me video with them and they put it on my status. Yeah man. Enough people I tell me say man, build a YouTube channel. that better be, that would be better to carry across a message to the public. You know, see. And sometimes I video some track things same way and I post it on my status. Yeah, man, Mr. Miles, big up Mr. Miles. Mr. Miles, the time school coach. Mr. Miles always tell me, say, build a YouTube channel, build a YouTube channel. You can show up with the thing better on the YouTube channel. So I have to big up man like Mr. Miles. All that all encourage me to build my YouTube channel. I have to big up the girl and more sisters them. Philly and Chrissy. Then two especially. Because me and Philly and Chrissy and Chin and Brian Mr. Dunga so. In a seat. Yeah man. Yeah. And Brim Mr. Dunga so. Doing the time of the thing there. So the vibes and certain things will go on. Because as I say, in a seat. So I want you joining now. I really appreciate all the support. Even all my enemies them are coming more time and in a seat. And they cost me. And all that. Yeah man, because some of my enemies them all become my friends right now. Because this is what I talk about. Everything I talk about Falmouth, I the truth me talk about Falmouth. So one thing I go say, because my main exposure are the plans what Gauge have to put full farm pan. And any old Gauge put full, come and tell the people, any old Gauge put full farm pan center. Falmouth United if you pack up them things and come over center. And make center be a land for raise animal. So any old Gauge put full farm pan center, the youth them a Falmouth can graze them cattle over center. Any old Gauge put full farm on the Elixton Wetland Youth Center. Might as well then those ton center in our agricultural land for farming. And the youth them can raise them cattle pan center. Same way if Gauge go raise fowl pan a youth center. So the price of bed, I'm glad to see me have it and I can showcase certain things. Because I go close by saying, but I man love sports. Sports are my life. This is what sports can do to people. I repeat, Usain Bolt, Messi, the whole people them come from poor family and make it out of sports. And what I say, my main mission on this YouTube channel is all about sports and love. So who want to hate me, who can't hate me. But me is all about love. Because every man on earth is brothers and sisters. Every man. That's what I believe. Can I read my Bible? That's why I'm bad mind no man for them have. I will kill me brother to drive car and live in a big house and all that. No, me don't sit there. Me prefer rich and live long Me prefer rich slowly but surely. Yeah man. And live long. More than try to get die trying to get rich. Why not die? Wanna follow some American artists like 50 Cent and Monday. I come to film slang that. Get rich by dying trying to get rich. You know see? And when Jesus tell people say he's a camel to go through a high of an eagle more than a rich man to enter the kingdom of God. And that me want, brother. Me want enter God's kingdom. Me no follow nobody. You think me a idiot and fool a follow man about Jesus? Me call him Jesus, you know. At the same people call him other name, you know, but me call him Jesus because everybody knows Jesus. Because me go close by saying, say, one of the greatest parable. And if it's a parable, I want joke thing. Because the Bible is parable, you know. The Bible is parable, you know. And the creation week a parable. That's why you can't understand the mystery of God. Because we all know the snake can't talk. Snake can't talk. Adam and Eve story are one parable. So come you know say everything because it's a Moses write the Genesis, you know. Jesus tell Moses told him, you know, when Moses in the mountain, you know, the 40 days, you know. Yeah, man, with Jesus, with God, you know. And God tell Moses this something there, man, the story, you know. That was parable, yeah. So most thing what Jesus taught, I think will actually happen. And I go close by saying, so remember Lazarus in the seat. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Remember Lazarus and the rich man, you know. When Lazarus was dead and got in the seat, dead. And the rich man dead after. When Lazarus was upon earth, Lazarus suffer. Pay sore when all them sitting everything bad the Lazarus. And the rich man living big life. And when Lazarus was dead, as Lazarus was dead, so Lazarus was caught up in Abraham's arms. In Abraham's arms. And the rich man got hell. If you read the thing, you see what happened. And one thing I tell people, say, you feel 7 people dead, then go wait until God come call or come rise people again. When you're not dead, when you're going straight to hell. And man dead, when man dead in a seat. Who figure heaven? Because God a judge you know. That's why it's a gulf between hell and heaven, you know. You can't know what's going on, you know. I just want to elaborate on that still. Remember when Jesus on the cross, you know, and the rich man and the two beggars them across Jesus, you know. And one of the, no man, the two thieves them across Jesus. And they must say to, and one thief tell the other thief, say, Lord, the man alone, because we deserve for punishment. This man have done nothing at all. And then crucify him. Because Jesus was crucified between two thieves. And the thief for the different Jesus said to Jesus, say, boy, if you remember him when he coming in our kingdom. And Jesus tell him that this day, you're going to be with me in paradise. You're going to be with me in paradise. In a seat. Remember the transfiguration pan in a seat. When Jesus go before Jesus go dead, you know. In transfigured up on the mountain, you know. When he carried the disciples, them was about 4 in favor disciples Jesus carried with him. And when you see the transfiguration, when the bright light and he couldn't see, and he make out Moses, Elijah, and was Abraham appear to Jesus. Moses, Elijah, and Abraham appear to Jesus. The reason with Jesus. Till the disciple them, when Jesus till the disciple them, I tell Jesus, say, boy, them feel honor to be here, so then go build something or some tent or something. To witness what them see. That's for sure I said the man is still alive. Moses and the man there in a God kingdom. All the righteous people who dead and feel said them the thing in my grave see me, the man in my life see him alive right now. And who are the wickedest God? They are hell. Because you can't kill the flesh, but you can't kill the flesh, but you can't kill the spirit. The spirit, they are hell of torment. You better know that. So when I follow people, they kill people and feel say, boy, wanna go. You understand me? So who want rich, go and go rich. Because let's say I was just poor and I live some hard time, unless I was well alright. And the rich man suffer. Not for the rich people, I go suffer in hell, you know. Who kill people and a bad mind people and a trick people and a kill off the people them and feel say and I see it. And if the rich man have the 28 bank account and feel say, boy, you go escape the judgment, you can't hide from man, but you can't hide from God. They put up a thing yesterday on my status. If it's a joke business, Andrew who only is bro David got hell. Hell him I go. Hell. So who want to go there with him, go there with him. Me know him especially, you know. Who went to the poor people, you know. Me know him went to the poor people 2020, you know. So no matter when though, after, and when would you know? In wrong people trouble poor people, I persecute poor people, they follow people, they yeah, At 23 minutes gone. Me leave people alone. I don't live the life I don't want to live. I live my life, you know. You know, see it? Because we are sin and come short of the glory of God, you know. But we have certain degree of sin. I tell you that. I must say God a man like us, you know. God have a mind, you know. God can change his mind, you know. We're making a God image and God likeness, you know. Because I remember say God didn't tell Moses, say, no, not Moses. Noah. Until Noah said, now I'm going to destroy the world again, you know. So until you see the rainbow, it's a sign, say, boy, now destroy the world again. But man can get so wicked. Man kind of get so wicked and I get so wicked, I get so wicked. You know, see? Yes. And God never come back upon the earth. God can't build another world same way. Because I remember saying, tell you, say, you know, in gone prepare a place, you know. So look how long in gone. The place is prepared long time. And people are getting judgment and now. People are getting judgment. What you do, God a judge on you, you know. Because the matter you do, you can't hide from man, but you can't hide from God. So me are close by saying, say, boy, me, who are rich, go and go rich. Nothing wrong against rich, being rich, you know. But rich and do rich by doing good. Like how Messi them rich and both and them and they rich. We can't know the money get the riches from. But certain people can't explain their richness. You know, see it? That's why I rate Bolt and I rate Messi. Yes, from nothing to something. That's all me as a people. So sometimes I not leave one alone. The voice I've been is 1 year now. And I give thanks to all who support me thing. If I'm gonna want to listen to me, that I feed them business, me not try and indoctrinate nobody. But me close by saying, say boy, me give thanks to the come here because it definitely not pass half an hour. Definitely not pass. Me try to go to 15 minutes, but sometimes I get so emotional, brother. Yes. I go check everything at chip out because sometimes it's sun up, you know. No man, it's alright, same way. You know, chip out. So I go close. I not pass half an hour. I'm going to try and make my content them be 30 minutes because some people say, boy, make your content be 30 minutes. Don't make it past 30 minutes or less than 30 minutes. So I go, you know, see more kind of sign off, you know, or something I want to see before I sign off, you know. You know, see it. But all of me I say, I always say, you see a 5-person tuning per mind thing, I listen to my word, I give thanks and try to change in ways. God is real, man. Upon 2020, I know say God. Upon 2020, you can't have a bird, you have a fisherman bird, I don't call his name. You have a fisherman bird, you know what you used to. During the time of the thing there, in 2020, we used to meet and we used to share information about all who are going them time there. I'm surprised when the thing over and the thing I come and when the thing over and the man come tell me say, boy devil, a better man for run the country than Marky G. You know see it? The same man was a born fire upon board devil doing 2020 the most way. But me realize the brethren don't believe in God. Don't believe in God. Because him same man tell me say believe. Believe or doubt. Yeah man, if you sure about say we can prove that God exists. So me tell him say upon 2020 me start believing in God. Upon 2020 what take place in the world 2020 me know say God exists. Me don't believe anymore. Because believe is doubt. Upon 2020, you know see, because I tell people say man, I ain't go vote again, you know, because PMP and GLP can't help me, you know. Me are anti the thing there, you know. Enough support me have seen me, you know, who was anti the thing there, you know. Because we used to say 2020, make PMP and GLP go vote, and we who go through prosecution during 2020, you know see, we stand firm and we believe. Because we go through hell, we go through a lot of persecution, and enough people there. Yeah man. So me I tell So the brethren, boy, when they tell me about Andrew, a better leader than in a seat, than Marky G. Yeah. Me I tell you, man, that same brethren used to cuss Andrew the most way 2020. But we realize he switch back to Andrew because he don't believe in God. He don't believe in God none at all. He don't believe in Jesus none at all. Don't believe in the Bible none at all. So me left so at 2020 make me draw closer to God. Because I don't believe anymore. 2020 what take place in the world 2020 to 2022. Make me know say God exists. God is real. Because I used to believe, you know. But what? The past belief stage now. God is real. Jesus is real. That's why I say, bro, devil go to hell. No matter what you do, anything you want to do right now, he might go to hell. You know, see it? We want to do to poor people. They want to lock down church. You want to come like, I said, to church now no power again. Church now no power again. Are the rich man of the world, him control the world right now. Then do all what they want to do. Because they don't believe in a God. Then take God for proper sure. But what? Wanna see it? I just God on time, you hear me? I'm gonna sign off for now. Half an hour. I'm not go for half an hour, I just God on time. So as I say, to be continued. So we give thanks to all who support the voice of Bed Miller. Yeah, man, for the 1 year. A 1 year journey. I'm going to go and try to keep me things so I can speak my voice. Yeah, man. This is a stammer man. This is a chat bad man. I don't know Moses. I don't know here when we chat for me. So I go always chat bad. Big up Miss Lowe. Big up Bob Marley. Big up Usain Bolt. And big up Michael Manley. And big up Soko. Big up Soko. Big up Soko. And big up Lando. And big up all the supporters them for the advice of Bed Miller. From Miss McAlpin to Nita, to Power, to Esco. I so much people from overseas that tune in for the advice of Bed Miller. But I'm not calling people there. Everything we post them and watch that. Big up to Esco. And all the supporters them for the advice of Bed Miller. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. And the word is love. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. 31 minutes. We're going to 1 minute extra time. Yeah, man. So, I just love. And fuck you better step out. You hear me? Yes, Iyah. I'm sorry for the boy people. I said they call me, you know. It's a popular name back in the days. Fuck you, bed. I'm kind of embrace the name now because of football. My first love. Yeah, man. So, as a Michael Man Pitney, yeah, man. I tune out now. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yes, Iyah. Yeah.